Hello there, welcome to Wireless Solutions. Today we are diving into the world of Face ID on the iPhone XR. If you want to learn how to use this incredible feature like a pro, you are in the right place. Face ID offers a secure and convenient way to unlock your phone, authenticate purchases, and more. So let us get started. First things first, let us talk about setting up Face ID on your iPhone XR. If you haven't set it up yet, don't worry, it is a straightforward process. Section 1. Setting up Face ID. To set up Face ID, follow these steps. Step number 1. Open Settings. Go to the home screen and tap on the Settings app. Step number 2. Navigate to Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You might need to enter your passcode to proceed. Step number 3. Set up Face ID. Tap on Set up Face ID and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to hold your iPhone in portrait orientation and position your face inside the frame. Move your head in a circle to capture all angles of your face. Show visual representation of setting up Face ID. And just like that, Face ID is set up. Now, let us explore some tips to use it like a pro. Section 2. Mastering Face ID Usage. Face ID is much more than a way to unlock your phone. Here are some strategies to fully leverage its capabilities. Unlocking your iPhone. To unlock your iPhone, you can either raise it to wake or tap the screen, then simply look at it. You will notice the padlock icon at the top unlocking, allowing you to swipe up access your home screen seamlessly. This method is both secure and effortless. Authenticating purchases. Face ID isn't limited to unlocking your device. It can also be used for authenticating purchases in the App Store, iTunes, and other services. When making a purchase, double-click the side button and glance at your phone. The system will scan your face and complete the transaction securely and conveniently. Using Face ID with Apple Pay. Apple Pay is another excellent feature that integrates with Face ID. To make a payment, double-click the side button. Look at your phone to authenticate and hold it near the contactless reader. This swift process ensures that your payment is both secure and quick, making everyday transactions a breeze. Faster Face ID recognition. While Face ID is designed to learn and adapt to changes in your appearance over time, you can expedite this process. If Face ID fails to recognize you, manually enter your passcode. This action helps the system update your facial data, improving its accuracy and speed in recognizing you in the future. Enhancing security with Face ID. Face ID provides an additional layer of security. You can use it to lock specific apps, ensuring that only you can access them. This feature is particularly useful for apps containing sensitive information, such as banking or personal data. Optimizing Face ID settings. Customize Face ID settings to suit your needs. You can allow Face ID to work with sunglasses or even set it to require attention for extra security. Go to Settings, Face ID, and Passcode to adjust these preferences. By mastering these Face ID features and settings, you can significantly enhance your iPhone experience. These tips not only make daily tasks more efficient but also ensure that your device remains secure. Section 3. Face ID in different scenarios. Face ID works in various scenarios, but let us talk about some specific situations where you might need some tips. Using Face ID in low light. Face ID uses infrared technology, so it works well even in low light conditions. However, ensure your face is visible and not obscured by anything. If needed, move to a better lit area for improved accuracy. Face ID with sunglasses. Face ID is designed to work with most sunglasses, but if you are having trouble, make sure your sunglasses allow infrared light to pass through. Alternatively, you can disable Require Attention for Face ID in the settings, but note that this reduces security slightly. Face ID with mask. With the ongoing pandemic, masks have become part of our daily lives. Unfortunately, Face ID doesn't work with mask on. However, you can quickly swipe up to enter your passcode. Apple has also introduced a feature to unlock your iPhone with your Apple Watch if you have one. Section 4. Advanced Face ID Settings. Now let us delve into some advanced settings to enhance your Face ID experience. Require Attention for Face ID. In Settings, Face ID and Passcode, you will find an option called Require Attention for Face ID. Enabling this requires you to look directly at your iPhone for Face ID to unlock. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring no one can unlock your phone while you are not paying attention. Alternate Appearance. You can set up an alternate appearance for situations where you look significantly different. like wearing heavy makeup or a hat. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, and tap Setup and Alternate Appearance. Follow the instructions to register a different look. Reset Face ID. If you are facing persistent issues with Face ID, you can reset it and start fresh. In Settings, Face ID and Passcode, tap Reset Face ID. This will delete all your facial data and you can set it up again as we did earlier. Section 5. Troubleshooting Face ID. Sometimes you might encounter issues with Face ID. Here are some common troubleshooting tips. Clean the true depth camera. Ensure the front camera area is clean and free from obstructions. Smudges or dirt can affect Face ID's performance. Check for updates. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Apple frequently releases updates that improve Face ID's functionality. Reposition your face. If Face ID isn't working, try holding your iPhone at different angles and distances. Ensure your face is fully visible within the frame. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve Face ID issues. Press and hold the side button along with either volume button until the slider appears. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and then turn your iPhone back on. Section 6. Security and Privacy with Face ID. Face ID is designed with security and privacy in mind. Let us discuss some key points to ensure your data remains safe. Data encryption. Face ID data is encrypted and stored securely on your device. It never leaves your iPhone. Ensuring your facial data is protected. Attention awareness. Face ID requires your attention to unlock, adding an extra layer of security. This means your phone won't unlock if your eyes are closed or if you are not looking directly at it. Privacy protection. Apps that use Face ID for authentication cannot access your facial data. They only receive information about whether the authentication was successful or not. Section 7. Exploring future possibilities. As technology evolves, so does Face ID. Here are some exciting possibilities for the future. Expanded use cases. Face ID could be integrated into more applications and services, making it a ubiquitous authentication method across various platforms. Enhanced facial recognition. With advancements in AI and machine learning, Face ID's accuracy and speed will continue to improve, providing an even more seamless user experience. Additional security features. Future updates might introduce new security features, such as detecting stress levels or heart rate through facial analysis, further enhancing the overall user experience. And there you have it. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can use your Face ID on your iPhone XR like a pro. Whether it is unlocking your device, making secure purchases, or exploring advanced settings, Face ID offers a convenient and secure way to interact with your phone. Remember, keep your software updated and maintain good habits for long-term performance. And that is all there is. We hope that this meaningful solution brightens your day. And before we end this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your help means a lot to us. Thank you so much and see you in our next video.